Now, Greece is grappling with a catastrophic wildfire crisis as a relentless blaze engulfs the suburbs of Athens.
Fueled by scorching temperatures and gale-force winds, the inferno has forced thousands to flee their homes, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Here's a complete report on this. Take a look.
Greece is burning. This time it's knocking on Athens' door. A monstrous wildfire, fueled by scorching temperatures and relentless winds, has morphed into a fiery juggernaut, devouring everything in its path. Trees, homes and vehicles alike succumb to its insatiable appetite as it inches closer to the heart of the ancient city.
The situation here is very difficult. We still have strong fires. Last night was very difficult. From midnight onwards, some houses started to burn. We are trying to protect our local restaurant. The firefighters are doing very well.
Nearly 700 firefighters supported by volunteers, 190 fire engines and 33 waterbombing aircraft are battling the inferno, which has sent massive plumes of smoke billowing over the city. Despite their tireless efforts, the fire continues to spread, forcing the evacuation of at least 25 areas, including 3 hospitals. Power outages have also affected parts of the wider Athens region. As the fire encroaches on residential areas, some residents have chosen to stay behind, battling the flames with garden hoses and tree branches as smoke engulfs their neighborhoods.
The
front of the fire is really huge and it is uncontrollable right now. Behind these mountains are the olive groves. All of the olives are burned.
Greece sent out an SOS to its European allies. France, answering the call, is dispatching a formidable force of 180 firefighters, complete with 55 trucks and a helicopter. This hellish scenario is becoming an annual ordeal for Greece, a grim reminder of our changing climate. As global temperatures soar, these infernos grow more frequent and intense, challenging not just Greece but nations across the world. Bureau Report, WION World is One.